Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Finally, we received the DT99 Smartwatch from DT number 1. As you can see here, it is a premium looking smartwatch with an AMOLED display. So this is a sports smartwatch, a unisex smartwatch. It will look good on male or female. And here are some of its features. And still, it is using the popular Wear Pro application. And we have here, okay, the QR code. So we will have the unboxing of this good looking DT99 smartwatch from DT number 1. So if you have any questions, okay, regarding the smartwatch as well as its features, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have the time. Okay, let's start and unbox the DT99 smartwatch from DT number 1. Okay, so let's check. So we have here some features: multiple sports modes, female assistant, heart rate monitor, wireless charging. Okay, so let's check the design as well as the features of this wearable. Again, this is the DT99 smartwatch. Okay, let's remove the plastic. Okay. Okay, finally. Let's check the smartwatch. I'm excited to see the contents of this. As you can see here, it looks good here on the image as well as the promotional images on the web. So let's check. Okay. So this is the, I guess this is the user manual. Yes, it is. Okay, the contents are the user manual. We have a strap here, a white strap, lower a bead strap, and we have a wireless charger, still USB, and of course we have here the smartwatch. What is this metal? Yes, it is. I think it is metal, but very lightweight. Okay, and it looks nice, looks good. So let's remove this thing. We have a brush finish, and seems like we do have a very slim bezel. We have a crown button here. Okay, at the back we have the sensor. So this is wireless charger, so as you can see here, we don't have a power connector. So let's weigh in on the smartwatch. Let's check on the weight of the smartwatch. As expected, it is just 23.97. We can round it off to 24 grams with a strap included. Okay, barely 40 grams. Very lightweight. Okay, it is one of the lightest smartwatch we have so far here at Smartwatch Specifications. Okay, so let's remove this. So beautiful look, by the way. Okay, I'm impressed with the design. So let's attach the strap. Okay, so we do hope that we can attach this easily. Okay, that's it. I heard the click. And let's snap this one also. Okay, nice. Okay, very slim so far. Let's check. Oh, okay, this is impressive. As you can see, it is only 6 or 7 millimeter. Okay, usually the smartwatches, okay, do have a 10 millimeter body frame when it comes to thickness. This one, it is very slim. Okay, let me show you the regular, okay, Watch Ultra clone. As you can see here, very slim. Okay, we have this one. Okay, nothing compared to the DT99. Okay, when it comes to the slim body frame. Okay, let's focus on the design. So far it looks good. Very slim, lightweight, and I like the brush finish. Glossy back here, PC material. Okay, let me wear it. Okay, it is a unisex design and very sporty. Okay, for the specs, we don't have the specs here. Do we have the specs here on the user manual? Let's check. If not, I'm just going to put it here on the screen. So we have here some features. So we have, okay, all of the details here. Warranty certificate we have here. That's the good thing about DT1. We have a warranty like other smartwatches, which they do not include a warranty certificate. We don't have the specs here. So for the specs, okay, just check it here. Okay, and we'll display the specs. Anyway, let's check on the screen display and have a preview of the UI. That was fast, very fast. Okay, as you can see, a very slim black border. Okay, rotating crown. And guess what? The border here on each side is proportional. Unlike other smartwatches that has a much thicker, okay, black border here on the bottom part. With our DT99, it's all the same. Okay, I like this. Pure black. The blackness is very black here. Okay, let's check on the UI. We have a split screen. Okay, so that's it for the preview of the design and specifications of our DT99. On our second video, we are going to show you the features, menus and features of this smartwatch. Again, this is the DT99 smartwatch from DT1. Okay, for purchase links, just check out our description below. Bye.